to infinity and beyond. That's where we are heading. As always, FlowHCM has been the fastest growing HR software in the region, and in 2025 we have continued this tremendous growth. Let's begin with you, our customers. When we started 2025, we had 1100 customers, and now we stand at more than 1300 customers worldwide. Along the way, we have made new friends. You can see them on your screen. Now let's talk about what we have done for you. We have introduced hundreds of new features this year and have made major enhancements to our product. We have worked on upgrading our UI UX this year, which is soon to be released, and we have also upgraded our tech stack to ensure that our product keeps up to date. There has not been just work, but celebrations as well. Our project went live at more than 100 organizations, and we have celebrated with them at the Go Live ceremony. You can see few of the glimpses on your screen. We got to meet amazing people this year, and we heard their amazing stories. We have decided to share those stories with you. Few of them are already been released on our channel, and few are yet to be shared. This year was filled with a lot of networking. We have participated as a sponsor at several events and showcased our product to thousands of people. Not only we have sponsored numerous events this year, but we have also hosted our own product launch event where we revealed our latest innovations: FlowBot, which is an AI-based chatbot; FlowHCM, which is a premium hardware brand; FlowSense, which is an AI-based CCTV attendance function. We have reached new milestones this year. Our product is being used by more than 800,000 people worldwide, and our mobile application is downloaded by more than 300,000 people, making us the most downloaded mobile application. Not forgetting our vision, we give back to the community. FlowHCM has always stood for the academic and professional development of people of Pakistan. We have started several zero tuition fee batches with PIPD. Also, we have conducted several workshops at several universities, including Iqra University, IUBM, Casbet University, Indus, among several others. We sponsored the education of more than 30 people to help them get where they dream to be. Thank you everyone for watching this video and for being a part of this amazing journey. We hope to create a better and bigger impact with you, inshallah.